Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we talk about the rock named Dunite. So, Dunite is basically a monometallic rock which generally contains olivine up to 90% and remaining 10% will be pyroxenes. So, some general description about when we talk about Dunite, the two questions which prominently comes in our mind is what is Dunite and who discovered this. So Dunite is basically a monometallic rock that composed of olivine and pyroxenes, as I said earlier. So famous scientist and petrologist F. Hochschild in 1859 New Zealand discovered the rock composed wholly of olivine, which is situated in the Dune Mountains of the New Zealand, and the name Dunite is came from that Dune Mountains, which is rusty colored. General description: when we talk about the Dunite rock, it has two major minerals present, such as olivine and pyroxenes. The olivine minerals are generally dark green in color, and the pyroxene minerals which appears here are blackish colored minerals. Dunite is a monometallic rock in nature having dominance of olivine. It is hypermelanic and ultramafic intrusive igneous rock that mainly contains olivine up to 90%. And also contains some of the important metallic minerals like chromite. We can identify olivine grain under handled specimens, and this dunite is formed in deep inside the earth mantle. It is rich in magnesium and iron, generally found in ophiolites and commonly in ocean lithospheres. Some physical properties of dunite. The rock group is plutonic. Its color, as I said earlier, it is dark greenish grey color. Luster is vitreous and having hardness of 3.5 to 4. Streak is colorless and specific gravity having 3 to 3. The general classification of igneous rock indicates that it is ultrabasic rock which mainly contains olivine up to silica up to 45% and dominantly olivine, which is Mg rich mineral. Here is the IUG's classification of dunite, which is given by Stackinson in 1974. In this diagram, the composition of dunite is clearly be seen, having olivine 90%, which is indicating red color area at the uppermost corner, or we can say triangle, and its associated rock are also being here in this IUG's classification diagram. So textures. When we talk about textures, the phenolitic texture is most common and being identified by the naked eye because it contains coarse grain minerals. Phenolitic textures shows that it is formed due to slow cooling of magma that takes place deep inside the earth. Its grain is larger than 1 mm and tends to have regular shape. Mineralogy. When we talk about mineralogy of dunite, we can commonly see that its SiO2 ratio is very low, less than 45% of SiO2, and having dominance of MgO2 and Fe. In this rock sample table which is given, it is clearly indicate that there is Mg rich mineral dominance can be seen, and the dominance of olivine is also given there in the right hand corner, having 97.5% of olivine and chromite having 2.5% and some amount of trace elements. Associated rocks. Dunite is the olivine-rich end members of peridotite group, which range from olivine 40 to 100%. That contains three more rock along with dunite, and they are named as Hasbergite, Leorzite, and Wurlite. Its petrogenesis, according to Striking-Sen, dunite generally found as a xenolith in magma, which is found deep inside the earth, where temperature and pressure conditions are very high. Dunite generally occurs in layer. Its occurrence. When we talk about the occurrence of dunite, the rock composed of olivine, which is found in Dune Mountains in New Zealand, and some part of Bushivet Igneous Complex, South Africa, and Jamaatland, and in some areas of Sweden. Occurrences in India. According to Geological Survey of India, it is generally being associated with the rock of the same composition, which is found in the state of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and some part of Jharkhand and Nagaland. Some of the important properties of dunite are it is heat resistance, pressure resistance, as well as its unique properties. Furnace. It has some antique uses used in making articraft, in construction industry using cement manufacturing and mortar making. Here are the reference list we have done with dunite. Thank you very much.